Hi, and Assalamualaikum again to Media Faziana. So, this is my second filter for the assignment one, which is the interactive filter. So, in this filter, I created an eating game. Uh, just I use the SMTC logo for the food or for the object that the participant eating. So first, in order to create this game, I downloaded the patches or the game mechanic patches from the internet, and I also use the SMTC logo, the PNG. Okay, so first I use a face tracker, and then I put the game patches, the game mechanic, to the patch editor. So from here, I also put the face tracker onto the patch editor, the face select and face finder, and then I connect the face finder to the face select and the face select to face tracker, and then I connect the face tracker to the mouse open patch, and for the mouse open patch I connect it to the game mechanic. So for the game mechanic, I add a null object to the scene and paint plane tracker to the scene, and I use the SMTC PNG added to the plane tracker. After I add to the plane tracker, then I add the visible option, position and scale to the patch editor. So just like that, I just create a rundown SMTC logo. So the SMTC logo can go down, and I can open my mouse to edit. So in order to make it a game, I duplicate the game mechanic to others game mechanic so that the SMTC logo can duplicate to three logo instead of one, and I also duplicate the plane tracker and connect it to the others game mechanic patches. So after I done that, I use a delay patch in order to delay the movement of the logo, so it will not come down at the same time. So after I done that, I use pulse merge patch, counter patch, and value patch to create a counter, as you can see here. And then I add a 2D editor for the score, so the score will show on the screen. And I connect it to the value. I have to connect it to string patches in order to create to the text. And that's how the counter came out on the screen. After I done the counter, I make the timer, which is the red one up there. So in order to make the counter, I use a pulse patches connected to the switch, and I use an animation patch connected to 2 range patch, and from 2 range patch I have to put a minimum amount, which is 10 seconds, and maximum amount 0. And in the animation I also need to put a 10-second duration. So from here I connect to the round patches and 2 string patches in order to connect it to the text, the timer text. So now I have a timer and also a counter. So now I just created an eating game. So the next step is to make the game stop. In order to make the game stop, I have to use a screen tap patches, so I can start the game by tap on the screen, and I connect it to the switch patches, and from here I use another switch patches connected to the animation. After I connected to the animation, I use an if then else patches, which is a what we call boolean patches. And from here I connect the pulse merge to the instead of connect to the count directly to the counter, I connect it to the if then else patches to the else, and then from the output I connect it to the counter, and then I use not signal patches, also connected to the switch, and then connected to the null object. So the game will stop after the timer is done. Okay, so after I published it onto the Instagram and Facebook, I can use the filter from the Instagram just pick from the story and then pick the it SMTC game. So to play the game, just tap on the screen and then you can play it. So as you can see, after the timer is done, the game will stop. And in order to play it again, just tap the screen again. You just go to the other filter and then go back to this filter again. Okay, so that's how I create the SMTC eating game using the Spark AR. So that's all for me. Thank you.